See, it has shown. You grab, it has shown. Then I will now type the let me say I have 1 BNB, 1 BSC inside here. I will now type, maybe I want to use 0.1. I'll say 0.1. They will calculate the amount it's going to give me. It's going to give me 3 million pieces. It's a bit 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you're going to give me 3 million pieces of Shiba Inu with 32 0.1 is $32, as you can see there. Then this place they wrote insufficient BNB. Now, if I don't have BNB, that's why it's showing. But if I have BSC, it's going to show me the amount. Then they will show me approve or something like that. I'll click on it. And when I click on it, it's going to swap from my BSC. That's how to trade meme coin. You're not using USD. Even if you want to use USDT, you must use USDT on the BSC blockchain network. So this is how to swap on Pancakeswap using Trust Wallet. There's what we call slippage limits. Click on settings. This settings here now. You see slippage tolerance 0.1. In case they tell you tax, maybe the contract address, they tell you tax 2/2. You will come here. If you say 2/2, that means it has to be higher than 2/2. You will click 3. 3%. You understand? If they say if the project is telling you tax 10/10, that 10/10 means you can swap in, that you can buy with 10% slippage, and you can also sell with 10% slippage. You understand? You now come here and click 12 or 11. If they tell you 10, don't use that exact 10. It's not good. You have to use something higher. You take on 12. You understand? If the project is telling you we are using 20/20, or okay, let me say 3/10. 3/10 means you can buy with 3%. Then you can sell with 10%. That's what it means. If they say 10/3, you buy that first one there is buying, the second one is selling. But if you say 10/10, 10/10 means you can buy with 10%, you can sell with 10%. So you click on settings, come to this place, and you're adjusting it 10%. Any amount they tell you to use, you use. It will be written on the project on Telegram. So apart from that, I don't think there's any other thing you need to know. Settings, this default standard fast. This one is in case maybe you're a fair launch, you want to be the fastest person to buy. You can come here and click on standard. The standard, in case the gas fee, maybe they want to charge you gas fee $1. If you click on standard, the gas fee will increase by like some percentage. Maybe it's not $1. Maybe they might charge you $1.5. If you click on fast, they will charge you $2. If you click on instant, they might charge you $3. You understand that this default, standard, fast, and instant, these are transaction. Look at it, default transaction speed. It will help you buy faster than every other person. If you want to be the fastest person to buy, maybe a fair launch that is very, very hyped. So that is how the thing is. I think I've done justice to this kind of stuff. With this now, you can swap any coin. With this knowledge now, you can use Ethereum swapping, Solana swapping, any other blockchain again. You can use knowledge and learn how to swap on other blockchains. It will not be hard again.